Alrighty, so today's an exciting day. The M4 is back. This car's been in storage for, I don't know, about 5.5 months, which was mainly due to the fact that my wife and I just had a kid, and I only have 2 garage spots, and the Subaru was taking up one of them. So she got the other one. Made sense. Seemed fair. But kid is here. It is now summer-ish. And she gave me the, well, kind of the go-ahead to use the garage again. So we're gonna get the M4 out of the trailer and hopefully get it back into the garage so that I can then properly reinstall this battery. Just needed to be electrically connected so I can literally pull it into the garage. And started up for the first time in like 4 months. Battery's been on the tender this entire time. Which was a smart idea. I imagine I would have had a dead battery if I hadn't done so. That'll do it. Oh my god, my backside is getting wet. forgot about how I had to load that car because I accidentally pulled it so close to the driver's side. What I'd done last time is pulled it in the trailer, lowered the window, crawled out the window, verified everything was correct, and then I got back into the driver's side window, rolled the windows up, and got out through the passenger side door. Felt a little awkward, but got it out. I wish that car had a backup camera, but because BMW thinks, hey, weight savings, no backup camera on the GTS. But whatever, it's out. It's kind of funny too. The first time I brought this car home, when I trailered it back from California, from Fresno, and it was raining that time. So, yeah, I think it's funny. Whatever. That's that. We'll have more footage for the GoPro or for the GTS later, but that'll be the car that I'll kind of be playing with when the Subaru is getting put back together.